4. 1998 Toyota Caldina GTT. The Caldina GTT is one of the most underrated all-rounders Toyota ever built. Based on the same platform as the Celica GT4, it came with the legendary 3S GTE turbocharged engine and full-time all-wheel drive. That combination alone should make any car enthusiast's ears perk up. The fact that it came in wagon form only made it more outrageous. Pumping out 260 horsepower, the GTT had serious performance credentials. It could launch hard off the line, grip through corners like a rally car, and still carry a week's worth of groceries in the back. The 3S GTE was known for its durability and tuning potential. So many Caldinas have quietly become 300-plus horsepower monsters without anyone noticing. Visually, the Caldina was subtle but athletic. Mild flares, sleek headlights, and a practical roofline made it easy to mistake for a regular estate. But once the boost kicked in, it was clear this was no ordinary wagon. Toyota built it for those who wanted performance without sacrificing space or comfort. From wagons with rally hearts, we now revisit Mitsubishi for one of their final and most refined VR4 creations. 3. 1999 Mitsubishi Galant VR4 Type S. The 1999 Mitsubishi Galant VR4 Type S was Mitsubishi's last love letter to the sports sedan world before everything got soft and corporate. It combined a 2.5-liter twin turbocharged V6 with full-time all-wheel drive and active yaw control. In simpler terms, it was a missile in disguise, capable of attacking corners and tearing up back roads with confidence. This Galant made 276 horsepower in stock trim, and thanks to its twin-turbo setup, the power came on early and hard. The all-wheel drive system provided immense grip, and the advanced torque vectoring allowed it to rotate through tight turns far better than its size suggested. It could go toe-to-toe with the Subaru Legacy B4 and the Nissan Stagea, and often came out on top. What made the VR4 so compelling was its presentation. It looked like a business sedan, calm grille, restrained spoiler, and tasteful wheels. But the moment you stepped on the throttle, it became a different animal. The Galant VR4 Type S remains one of the most overlooked turbocharged Japanese sedans of the decade. Speaking of sedans with hidden fury, Toyota had one last surprise as the millennium approached. A car so refined and quiet, you would never guess it packed a 2JZ under the hood. 2. 1999 Toyota Progress NC300 2JZ GE. At a glance, the Toyota Progress NC300 looked like a baby Lexus. Modest design, quiet luxury, and a name that never drew attention. But under the hood sat the legendary 2JZ-GE engine. Yes, the same power plant found in the naturally aspirated Supra. It was smooth, strong, and nearly indestructible. This was a rear-wheel drive sedan that drove better than it looked. With the right tune, the Progress easily surpassed 250 horsepower while keeping its executive vibe intact. It had optional air suspension and a balanced chassis that made it feel planted through corners, despite being marketed more for business class than backroads. Inside, it was premium. Leather seats, digital climate control, and wood accents gave it Lexus levels of refinement, but it was never about flash. The Progress was for those who wanted performance in disguise. It was refined, confident, and sneaky quick. And while the Progress kept its power polished, the last car on our list gave you skyline muscle wrapped in a family-friendly package that no one saw coming. 1. 1999 Nissan Stagea 4V RB25DET. The Nissan Stagea RS4V is what happens when you put a Skyline powertrain in a station wagon. It came with the RB25DET engine, a turbocharged inline-six that made 276 horsepower, paired with Nissan's Atessa all-wheel drive system. Basically, it was a family GTR in a long roof disguise. Performance was thrilling. Turbo boost came on early, and the RS4V surged forward with purpose. It handled like a much smaller car, thanks to the advanced drivetrain and a well-tuned suspension. Straight-line speed and grip made it a favorite among JDM fans who wanted space and speed in one body. The styling was completely under the radar. No aggressive angles, just a plain wagon profile, but underneath, it was all performance. Tuners loved it, families unknowingly appreciated it, and rivals underestimated it. The Stagea was the final word in JDM sleeper wagons. And that is how you end a list packed with unsuspecting fury. But there is more where that came from. Let us know your favorite in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more rare machines just